Today I'm going to show you how to turn your ugly city trash cans into these beautiful pineapple starlets. A very famous mom just recently did this. Her name rhymes with Kardashian. And we're going to do it today. You'll need the following things. You will need spray paint. That is specifically anti-rust paint and primer for outdoor things, and specifically plastic. Then you're going to need tape, protective clothing, and protective face gear. And then you will need some stencils of different patterns, designs. Clearly I got this, very clearly. And I got a trash and a recycling stencil. I called the city in which I live and I asked them if I was allowed to do this because this is not my property, this is the city's property. They said, yes ma'am, you are allowed to paint your trash cans, you just cannot do anything that would offend somebody. Boy, this is attractive. I don't think this is necessary. It's fogging up everything and it's really uncomfortable. So now I'm gonna spray the whole thing. It looks so good. I don't mind helping you if you want me to help. Now I'm going to add my pineapple stencil to the sides so that when I push my trash can to the driveway, people can see they're welcome in my trash can. Okay. No, oh, no. Yeah. There you go. What? Guys. I'm obsessed. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is everything. I mean, just take a break, right? This is everything. Is this everything or what? This is so cool. All right, we're gonna do the other side now. Okay, so you're gonna tape your stencil on with some painter's tape, and then you're gonna try to keep it within this range so you don't get any kind of overflow. But it's okay if you do, because you can just paint back over it with the other color. And it might look a little gritty and cool. Our neighbors are gonna be so jealous. They are gonna want a pineapple trash can for themselves. I mean, come on. That's adorable. That's adorable. Guys. Pineapple starlets. They're stars, these little guys. Aren't they good?